Hi everyone. In the series of Java, okay, today we are going to discuss HashMap. I request you to go from the very beginning when I started core Java if you really want to become a good developer. Okay, because I started with simple example initially and I'm covering every topics in very detail. Okay, if you go through them and you practice them properly, I can assure you you can become a good developer of Java. Fine. So now I'm starting with HashMap. So see, first of all, what is this and why do we require this? So as I discuss about when we were discussing about list, I told you what is the requirement of list. Now, if you require to store some data in the form of key value pair. Okay, so whenever you see a scenario, okay, where the data has to be stored in the form of key and value pair, so we can go for HashMap. Okay, now I'll show you some example. Fine. So let's see here. So whenever you require HashMap, so this is the syntax for it. So line number, okay, 6, what I'm going to discuss. We require a hash map. The name of the hash map is HM and the key should be integer type and the value should be string type. Alright? And the name of hash map is HM. Then I am writing here HM dot put. So put is basically used for adding any element into your respective hash map. So when I'm saying here hm.put, so this will go as key and this will go as value. Same way this key and this is value, this is key and this is the value. Okay, so I'll teach you one by one, okay, how to run everything properly so that you should become comfortable with this thing. Fine. So first we'll discuss about this code only up to here. Fine. So this one. So let's try to run this example and just observe it. Fine. So now see this. Initial list of element is okay. How it is printing? Okay, it is saying that okay, key and value, key and value, key and value. So up to here, okay, what have we done? We have make a hash map. We have added some value to the hash map and then we are printing the default way, okay, of your hash map. Now suppose you want to print hash map, okay, according to your own way, or I can say in a customized way, then how can we do that? Fine, see this. Now HM, the name of our hash map is HM. It has a function that is entry set. Okay, and it basically returns a reference of map.entry type. Okay, again I'll repeat. HM is name of our uh, hash map and it has a function known as entry set, okay, which returns a reference of map.entry type. Now you can get a key as well as value. So now get key will give you the value, a key, and the get value will give you the value. Fine. So now we'll try to understand this much. Okay, you can see here 100 and Amit, 101 and Vijay, and 102 and Rahul is being printed. So this is printing key and this is printing value. If you want to add, okay, some values from your side, like suppose you want to have this, like key is, okay, you can concatenate, but it is depending upon the requirement that you are having. Okay, you can say value is fine. Now it will print like this. Okay, now you can see this key is this, value is this. I hope up to here it is clear. Okay, now going ahead. Okay, now we are trying to update the list. Now in 102 we are having Rahul and now we are saying hm.replace. So replace is one of the function which is basically used for updating the list. So now, okay, initially 102 is Rahul and we are trying to replace, okay, 102 key to Gaurav and again we are trying to print it. Okay, now let's say we'll again try to run this example and let's concentrate on this. Okay, you can see here. Fine. See the updated list. Initially it was, if you see Rahul, fine. And now after updating it has become, okay, 102 has become Gaurav. I think that is also clear. Okay. Now, replace has a different format. Okay, replace has a different format. So now what we'll do, okay, now just see this. We are saying 101 and then Vijay and Ravi. Okay, now see this, what will happen. Okay, here. Now this output will be printed out. Okay, so here I also have printed a update list of elements, and but now I'm printing here. Okay, wait. Now just see this here. Fine, now see this. Okay, initially it has become 100 Amit, 101 Vijay, 102 Gaurav. Now, wait, I'll make it bring. Now see this here. Fine, updated list of this. Okay, 101, 100, 101 and 102. Fine, this is another way of updating your list. Okay, I hope up to here it is clear to you. So either you can write down this way, okay, or you can write down this way. I hope understanding now. Again, I'll show you the output. Just see here. Okay, 100 Amit. Then here, initially it was Rahul, now it has become Gaurav. Okay, after replacing this. Now, okay, we are having here Vijay and Amit, Vijay and Gaurav. Now, here 101 has become Ravi. Okay, how it has become Ravi? Let's come back and understand here. Fine here. See this. What we have done 101 Vijay. Okay, if you see this code here, Vijay has been replaced with Ravi. Okay, again I'll go to this code output and you can see here. Okay, I think that is very much clear. Fine. Now again we'll go here. Okay, and we'll try to see. Now see this here. Okay, line number 29 I am talking about. HM dot replace all. Okay, and this stands for key and this stands for value. Ajay. It means whatever key is there everywhere, okay, the output will be what? Ajay. Okay, just go here and can you see here? 100 Ajay, this and this. I think very much clear to everybody. Fine. Okay, now again I'll go to this. Now suppose you are having a model, okay, or you are having a class, fine, and you want to apply HashMap to this. Okay, now I have a class here, okay, which has ID, name, author, publisher, and then quantity. I have one constructor over there. Now we would like to apply, okay, to this. So if you see here, what have we done? Now again we are making, okay, again new map, okay, where the key is integer, but now the value is book. Now you know that whatever is there inside the book, that will also come inside the map also. So now if you see this example over here, okay, here the key is 101 and this is entire regarding the book object. Okay, because here the value is book. Same way here, this is the key and this is the value, and this is the key and this is the value. Okay, now over here we are saying 1 B1, 2 B2 and 3 B1. Now put, okay, we already discussed about put, and what we are doing here, okay, this B1 will add to 1, key is 1 and this is B1 and so on. Now we want to traverse to this. Okay, now just see this. I just discussed with you, this is the default way of printing, okay, and we'll discuss how it is being printed. Now if I see here map.entry set, integer and book, okay, map.entry set. Now what is happening here, okay, this, we are taking the key and we are taking the value, which is a book type, then printing the details, okay, ID and name and author and publisher. Okay, now let's see this. We'll try to run this. Okay, now see this here. This is the default way of printing it, which I discussed with you. Now 1 and details, the entire detail about the book object. 2 detail, entire detail about the book object. Now how it is printing? Okay, now please see here. Key. So key is 1. It is taking from there and then the entire. Okay, that's all for HashMap. Okay, we'll soon be meeting. Okay, where we'll go for the next session. Again, requesting you please go from the very beginning. Okay, so that you understand each and everything. And whenever you have some doubt, give your feedback.